Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to use an image view. An image view can display images to an user, and in this example I'll show you the important properties of an image view. Let's go ahead, and this is the layout that I'm going to use in this project. And here we have images and media. Under this category you have the image view. Let me go ahead and drag this into the layout. I'm going to place it. So once you drag an image view into the layout, Android the ADT asks you to choose a drawable to be used along with your image view. I'm going to select a kid drawable. I've already copied this into the project, so clicking on OK, and you can see we have the image view, and the rectangular border actually tells you the border of the image view, and the current image does not occupy the entire image view. It is placed in the center, and you can see we have some extra space which is not being used by the image drawable. So the border is actually the size of the image view. And there is one important property that we'll be using often. It's called the scale type property. Let me go ahead and try to change this to different values so that you can see what happens. So let me select matrix first, and you can see how the image occupies the entire screen. The aspect ratio is maintained, and the excess of the scaled image is being cropped. And there are a few more properties. The next one is the fit XY, which actually fits the image through the entire size of the image view. Thereby the aspect ratio could be different because the width of the image is stretched to occupy the width of the image view, and the height of the image is stretched to occupy the height of the image view. And we also have other properties which is fit start, which actually fits the image to the upper part of the image view, and we have this fit center, which is similar to the this is likely to be the default scale type, and you can choose fit end, which will fit the image at the end of the image view. So you can see we have some extra space on the top. And also there are other properties. We have the center property, which is actually like the matrix property, but it crops the image from the center after enlarging it. And we have the center crop property, which is similar, which behaves similar in this case, and the center inside property, which is also similar to the fit center property. So this is how you use an image view. Also at times you may have image views of fixed sizes. Let's go ahead and give this a fixed image size. I'm going to change the width to 100, or let's say 200 device independent pixels, and let's also make the height to 200 device independent pixels. So again, now you can apply the same properties, and you can see how the image view behaves. Let's go for fit XY, and you can see that's a drastic change because the image is being stretched both by width and height. And you can also check the center property. This is nice. It actually is much better. It also takes up the entire size of the image view and crops it appropriately. So these are some of the properties that you may have to experiment when you're using an image view. For different situations you may be using different scale types. That's about it, and now I'm going to show you how to use the same image view and change its properties using Java code. Let's go ahead and name this as kid photo, or kid is enough. Let me go to Java code. Here it is, and let's go ahead and declare an instance image view and kid image view private. Let's go ahead and get the reference kid image view, find view by id r.id.kid, typecast it, and here are two important methods that we're going to discuss. One is the .set image resource method. This actually accepts a drawable resource ID as an input parameter, and you also have other methods, which is set image bitmap, set image drawable, and set image resource, set image URI. So these are the set of methods that are helpful, a lot helpful. And to set the scale type, you can call the set scale type method. And here we have the scale type enumeration, which has all these constants, which is center, center crop, center inside, fit center, fit in, fit start, fit xy, matrix, etc. So these are a bunch of enumerations that you can use to specify the scale type programmatically. So that's about the ImageView. There's nothing much in it. Try to use it, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.